Welcome! In front of me is LENOVO IdeaPad 5, and in this video I will show you how to pair a Bluetooth device to your laptop. First of all, if your Bluetooth is disabled, you have to turn it on by going into Start menu, selecting Settings, then going into Bluetooth and Devices section, and to switch on your Bluetooth, switch this toggle to the right. And once you're done, click Add a device, select Bluetooth, and then make sure that your device is on and discoverable. I can tell you how to do it because each device has different settings, so you should read the instruction to your particular device in order to make it go into the pairing mode so that you can see it on the list. For me, I can see my device on the list right here. To connect to it, I just have to click on it once, then press done, and as you can see right now I'm connected. I can find my device on the list in the devices, and here I can remove it completely by clicking remove, and I can also disconnect from them by clicking this one button right here. So if I disconnect from them, I will be able to connect to them in the future. And if I click remove, I'll have to go through this process, through this whole process again. So that's basically it. That's how you pair a device to your PC. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.